Today we've got something truly special in approved detailing. We've got the Ferrari F12 and we're protecting it the right way by using XPEL PPF. Hi, my name is Queenie. I am one of the brand detailing ambassadors here at Approved Automotive. This beautiful Ferrari F12 has already underwent our premium wash and currently they're doing polishing or paint correction. We do that before we install the XPEL PPF in order to remove any light scratches or swirl marks, even if your car is brand new. So polishing and paint correction has already been done for this vehicle and the PPF has already been applied. For this PPF, we used the Ultimate Plus, which is glossy finish. So if you look closely, our PPF is precisely pre-cut using our plotter machine in order for us to cut the PPF seamlessly. I know we focus a lot about PPF, but today I actually want to focus about our interior ceramic coating using G-Technique interior ceramic. Why is interior ceramic coating important? Well, look at the interior of this vehicle. It's a mix of leather and Alcantara. So it's very important that we apply interior ceramic coating to help the quality last for a longer time. Now the PPF is complete, let's move on to the interior ceramic coating. The F12's cabin is wrapped in premium leather, carbon fiber, and Alcantara, materials that needs protection just as much as the exterior. We're applying a professional-grade interior ceramic coating designed to protect the leather, plastics, and carbon fiber trim from UV rays, spills, and daily wear. It adds a hydrophobic layer, meaning liquids and dirt just slide right off. The process helps prevent cracking, fading, and stains, keeping the Ferrari's interior looking and feeling brand new. Interior ceramic coating is an absolute game changer. Protect the luxury you paid for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.